Hey guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm losing light here. Woo! Anyway, Vlogmas day 2. Yesterday I got my braces off, and so today has been a kind of a chill day. I'm actually on my way to come get my daughter. She's all looking. She's so happy. Hey, Punky. They're so cute. They're all in there playing with baby dolls and stuff, but I'm picking her up. I just got off of work, and today we're gonna have McDonald's for dinner. That's what my kids chose in honor of us paying off my husband's work truck. Woo-hoo. We have officially paid off all of our debt, except for our rental property and our personal house. It's been a long journey. We did that today, and it's just super exciting. I was just thinking to myself about how, like, sometimes you don't give yourself enough credit for the things that you do. So McDonald's it is. You know, I don't really want to eat there, but that's what they want to eat. So if you guys are interested in hearing about our debt-free journey and how we paid off, first of all, we paid off like 78 grand, 72 grand in about 18 months. Then we went on a couple of journeys and got rental properties, flipped properties, and just have been working on our financial future for a while now. And thankfully that includes having paid off my husband's work truck today. And so we are debt free except for mortgage, and the mortgage on our rental property that we still do have, which we don't have that much. We have less than $40,000 left to pay on that. But you know, life is good. I feel like we're doing well. We kind of did like a hybrid of Dave Ramsey and You Need a Budget, if you've ever heard of those. So we still do have credit cards and stuff. Hey sister. But it's been a journey. So McDonald's, here we come. Woo-hoo!
I put more pennies in my cubby.
You did?
Yeah, I got more pennies in my cubby.
Even though you had an accident?
Birds?
Come on, let's go get Bubba.
No, more birds.
Hey, Noah Grace. Noah Grace. Guess what happened today? Guess what happened today? Say, Mommy paid off her debt. No, you gotta say it. Say, Mommy paid off her debt.
Mom paid off her debt.
Wait for me. Okay, so like I said before, the light is fading, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a car vlog on our way home today. But just a little bit of history about us. We, my husband and I when we met, I had a bunch of student loans, and so we started a kind of like a debt-free plan, and we ended up paying off about $72,000. And I got in about 18 months, and then we kind of like settled into. Hey guys, at this point it gets a little shaky because my mouth started loosening up. I just wanted to let you know it'll pass after a while, but the video will be a little bit shaky for a while. Getting a lot of things that we wanted, and you know, we bought a house and we got a car and paid those things off. We kind of cash flowed those things, and then we started investing and started a business that we ended up accruing a little bit of debt for. And so we got pretty much everything done, except for we kind of were holding on to Matt's truck because of COVID. We were like, I don't know, should we spend our cash and stuff? But we just felt like it was the right thing for us to do. So we went ahead and paid off his truck, which, you know, banks are so dang funny. Like, we paid it off, and then of course they have like that daily interest or whatever. So like this morning it was like you owe $11.22. I had to make another payment of $11.22, but I am so freaking psyched. I mean, it's the best Christmas gift ever to not owe anybody anything, to be living below your means. We officially are living on one income, so we save mine and spend his, and just like, I don't know, it just feels really good to be not in that feast and famine, you know, that a lot of people end up being in, especially as a black woman. Like, I want to build wealth and leave something for my family and be able to give to my church and stuff, and I can, and it just makes it really exciting. So today's a special day, on the 1st of December. Woohoo! My year's starting now. It's not starting in January. Also, if you haven't watched my other vlog, I got my braces off yesterday, and that's why I sound funny, because I'm trying to get used to this lingual retainer that I have now. it's like my tongue is hitting up again. Anyways, hair story today. I've been running my hands through my hair a lot, and so that's the reason why my hair is looking like this. But I had it like half up, half down, because of course, you know, it's the end of the semester, so there's a lot of clinic days where I have to dress like the students dress. So, and that includes like having my hair up. But I will say that one of the things I've noticed in the last few weeks is like my hair's getting more tangly. Like as I run my hands through it, that like locks are getting like stuck together and stuff, and I'm getting so much more fullness. So that's really cool too. But I have like hands and hair like messed up my locks today. But yeah, so any questions that you guys have, or if you're interested in hearing more about like, you know, how I budget, and you know, how we run our finances in our household, how we invest in real estate, and some of the other stuff we do. I know this channel is so much, you know, it's mainly about micro locks, which of course I love to talk about, and that's why you subscribe. But you know, there's so much more to me than that, and investing in and saving and paying off debt, and like our financial freedom journey is a really big part of what you know, what I do in my life and things that are important to me. So if you guys want to hear more about that, I can do more videos about, you know, how I budget and how we paid off our debt, and like You Need a Budget versus Dave Ramsey, and different things that I've been involved in the last few years on our journey. So anyway, okay, so we are back home from church, and my hair do I tried out today. I was looking cute in the house of the Lord, but we got to get ready to go to sleep. Our kids are soaking up their last few moments of chocolate chips at the house of the Lord. My niece Taylor's over here hanging out with us. Hold on, say hey, Taylor. Anyways, but my daughter needs a snack before bed. But I just wanted to say, all right, so Matt, we had a celebration today. We paid off the truck, right? How does it make you feel to officially have no debt, personal and no business debt anymore?
It's amazing. It's so cool. It's so cool.
He worked so hard.
Budgets matter.
They do, and they work.
Stick
Believe it or not, they really do.
It sucks at first, but it works.
It does. All right. He's camera shy, but I just wanted, because he was part of the accomplishments for him to be on here. Woohoo! We freaking did it!